Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to send money on Cash App without SSN quick and easy. Today I'm going to show you how to send money on Cash App without using your SSN. Yes, it's possible, especially if you are only sending small amounts or using Cash App as an unverified account. So here is the deal. When you first sign up for Cash App, you are considered an unverified user. That means you can still send and receive money, but there are some limits. Specifically, you can send up to $250 within a 7-day period and receive up to $1,000 within a 30-day period without verifying your identity with an SSN. Here is what to do. 1. Download and set up Cash App with your basic details like name, email, or phone number. And step 2, link a debit card or bank account to fund your payments. And for the step 3, go to the pay button and enter the recipient's cash tag, phone, or email, add the amount, and send. As long as you stay within the unverified limits, Cash App won't ask for your SSN. However, if you want to send or receive larger amounts or unlock more features like cash card or Bitcoin, you will eventually need to verify your identity with your SSN. So, yes, you can absolutely use Cash App without an SSN, but it's mainly for small casual transactions. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and ring the bell to get notified for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.